Hey, this is Steve from B&M. Today I'm happy to introduce our new B&M locking transfer case dipstick for the 2016 to 2017 Yamaha YXZ1000 side-by-sides. The B&M locking transfer case dipstick is designed to allow quick and easy access to check your transmission fluid along with the fluid quality, so without having to go to the dealership. The B&M locking transfer case dipstick is constructed of billet stainless steel fittings, steel braided hose, and a black mil-spec anodized aluminum 6061 T6 cap and bracket. This rugged unit allows cold and warm fluid checks. Now this is meant to be left in the vehicle and locked into place. Additional features include an engraved B&M logo locking knurled handle cap and a fluid level indicator stamped right on the end. The kit includes all necessary hardware and complete instructions for an easy installation. And it is backed up by a B&M lifetime limited warranty protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. If you're out on the trail and you're looking for a quick and easy way to check transfer case fluid in your Yamaha YXZ1000, then this is the solution you've been waiting for. And thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our B&M YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.